Israel has officially started rolling out a third shot of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine to those 60 and over as the country tries to out-vaccinate the highly contagious Delta variant.
I feel excellent. I also felt very good after the first two vaccinations. And if we'll need a fourth vaccination, also no problem.
Boosters are being offered to older citizens at least 5 months after their second dose. The decision is based on Israeli data suggesting protection may be wearing off.
Especially for people who have been vaccinated earlier. About 50% of the people who are infected right now are vaccinated, fully vaccinated individuals, and so that is obviously of concern.
Since the emergence of the Delta variant, the health ministry has twice reported a drop in the vaccine's effectiveness against infection. Most recently, it was just 39%, down from an earlier estimate of 64%. The vaccine has remained strong against severe illness.
The battle against COVID is a global effort. We'll share with all the information we have with the rest of the global community as we make progress.
Separately, Pfizer offered up its own study showing protection from its shots slipped 6 months after vaccination. But the study, which hasn't been peer-reviewed, concluded the vaccine is still highly efficacious in preventing COVID-19.
Remember, the original premise behind these vaccines were that they would substantially reduce the risk of death and severe disease and hospitalization. And that was the data that came out of the initial clinical trials. That premise is still fully intact.
The injection site,
U.S. officials say booster shots are not needed yet, although they are studying the issue. Then there are also the ethics to consider. The World Health Organization says vaccine inequity has allowed Delta to sweep across the globe. And if it persists, most people in the poorest countries will not be offered their first shot until 2023.
Do you really accept 1.5% vaccination in Africa, while in some countries it's already 70%?
A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found 2 doses of Pfizer's vaccine remains 88% effective against symptomatic cases of the Delta variant, though the study reiterated that 1 shot is not enough for high protection. Caryn Ceolin, City News.